Cut the banana peel into smaller pieces and drop them straight into a jar of water. Banana peels, full of potassium and valuable nutrients, often end up in the trash, but they can be put to great use. Seal the jar and cover it with a dark cloth to ensure proper fermentation. Leave the jar in a warm place for a few days, allowing the nutrients from the banana to infuse into the water. After that, uncover the cloth, and you'll notice the mixture has a strong smell and vibrant color. Now, take a glass jar and a strainer. Pour the contents through the strainer to remove the remnants. Take a watering can, add a liter of water, and measure a cup of the solution. Pour it into the watering can and mix well. Now, simply water your plants. This fertilizer is perfect for plants, as it provides essential nutrients. Potassium boosts plant immunity and improves water usage. Magnesium supports photosynthesis, while phosphorus promotes root development and better nutrient absorption. It's a simple, natural way to care for your plants. Just 1 tablespoon of this, and your plants will grow and bloom 5 times faster. The flowers will be so lush, their stems will bend under the weight. You won't be able to keep up with the vegetable harvest. And the best part? You already have all the ingredients at home. The first ingredient is oats. They're full of essential micronutrients like phosphorus, iron, and magnesium. These support healthy growth and boost plant immunity. Put 1 tablespoon of oats into a blender. Grind them into a fine powder. This helps release nutrients faster. Then, take a larger container and pour in about 1 quart of clean water. Add 1 tablespoon of the ground oats and mix well. Let the mixture sit for an hour. During that time, the oats will release all their goodness. After an hour, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to get a clear liquid. Your homemade eco-friendly fertilizer is ready. Water all your garden flowers and vegetables with it. You'll see a difference in just a few days. The plants will be strong and resilient. The harvest will be 5 times bigger. Use this oat fertilizer once a week for best results. 1 spoon is enough to stimulate a ZZ plant that hasn't been growing for a long time. It can start producing new, healthy leaves. You can make this nourishing homemade fertilizer for a ZZ plant from simple ingredients you likely already have at home. Pour water into a container, then add 2 teaspoons of charcoal. Charcoal helps cleanse the soil and supports healthy plant roots. It is rich in potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. Now add 2 teaspoons of coffee grounds. Coffee grounds contain natural minerals that support plant growth. They provide nitrogen, which helps develop green leaves. Mix everything well so the ingredients combine. Pour the prepared mixture directly onto the soil of the ZZ plant. The ingredients will slowly soak into the soil and nourish the root system. This helps the roots work more efficiently and allows the plant to absorb water and nutrients more easily. Over time, the plant may begin to produce new shoots, and the leaves can become deeper green and glossier. Use this fertilizer once a month to support healthy growth and condition of your ZZ plant. This is a true gardener's treasure, irreplaceable for fertilizing fruit trees, tomatoes, or other plants. You'll get more blossoms and plenty of fruit. This plant is a real gem for the garden. Start by collecting it into a bucket. Dandelion strengthens the root system, improves soil structure, and supports the development of flowers and fruit. You'll need about 1 kilogram, preferably with roots. The more parts of the plant, the better. Next, pour in about 10 liters of water. Rainwater is ideal, but regular water works too. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture sit for a day to macerate. This time allows the plant to release all its goodness. Afterward, strain the liquid into another bucket to remove the remnants. Dilute the mixture with water at a ratio of 1 to 9. Use it once a week by watering the roots of fruit trees, bushes, or even tomato seedlings. Your plants will bloom better, grow faster, and produce abundantly. Completely organic, simple, and effective. All you need is to water your peppers with this solution once, and they'll grow like crazy. This simple fertilizer will provide the plant with all the essential nutrients, and you'll see the results in no time. Prepare a quart jar and pour in 17 ounces of warm water, but not hot. Add 1 tablespoon of dried yeast. Thanks to its vitamins and minerals, yeast helps the plant's health, accelerating their growth. Stir the water. Sugar provides energy to the plants, supporting metabolic processes and photosynthesis. It will act as an activator, stimulating the plants to grow faster and be healthier. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir, close the jar, and set it in a warm, dark place for 2 hours. After that, prepare a larger bucket with warm water. Pour in the yeast solution and mix everything together. You'll get a concentrated fertilizer for watering. This solution will be enough for watering 10 plants, 1 liter for each. You'll provide the peppers with all the nutrients they need and stimulate them to grow. Use the fertilizer daily if needed. They'll fruit like never before. Make a nutrient-rich fertilizer for your seedlings using what you already have in your garden. Just gather the grass growing around. Even ordinary weeds will work. Grass has properties that improve soil quality, speed up plant growth, increase resistance to disease, and strengthen the root system. Take a handful of grass and put it into a bucket, filling it halfway. Then chop the plants into smaller pieces. Now take a piece of gauze, spread it out, and place the chopped plants in the center. Fold the gauze inward to form a small pouch. Place this pouch into the bucket filled with water and close it. Let it sit for a few days until the contents begin to ferment. From these humble plants will come the best nutrients, a natural plant-based essence rich in everything your seedlings need. After a few days, mix 1 measure of the liquid with 5 liters of water and use it to water your seedlings. You can also use the undiluted version for larger, stronger plants. It's a natural and effective way to promote faster growth, richer colors, and greater resistance, all from something we usually consider garden waste. Instead of throwing away, pour water and water tomato seedlings. Even the weakest seedlings will grow strong, healthy, and sturdy. All you need is a fertilizer that you can make at any time. It accelerates the growth of tomato seedlings. It strengthens the roots. Just apply it 2 or 3 times every 10 days, for watering but also as a spray. It contains appropriate amino acids, minerals, vitamins, and bacteria. To make it, take ordinary bread. Various bread leftovers, whether fresh or dried, will be suitable. Prepare any jar with a capacity of about 1 liter. Crumble the bread and put it into the jar. Fill the jar with bread to half its volume. Pour water over it. You can use rainwater. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar accelerates fermentation. Cover the jar and set it aside in a warm place for 2 days. After this time, prepare a container with a sieve and strain the bread. Dilute the obtained liquid by pouring 3 liters of water. Add 3 tablespoons of milk. Milk will further improve the fertilizer's properties. Now just water the seedlings. You can feed smaller seedlings using a syringe. Larger ones just need watering. You can also pour the liquid into a sprayer and use it as a spray. You'll see that tomato seedlings will quickly become stronger and won't stretch out. You can also use this fertilizer for other seedlings. For example, for cucumber or pepper seedlings.